Hey guys, Eli here, and today I want to talk about how to buy gold and silver. Now, I know that might sound crazy because it's just as simple as just going online or going to a local coin shop, but this video is more geared to people that's just now starting to buy or who just learned about gold and silver, or who just wants to buy because they see what's going on in the economy and they just want a little bit more protection against the fiat currency. So if you're new to precious metals buying, then this is the place for you. But if you're seasoned and you kind of know what you're doing, why don't you help out by leaving a comment down below and giving some of your experience down in the comments below. So if this is your first time on this channel and you like to talk about precious metal finances and mindset, make sure you start now by subscribing to the channel and also hitting that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And while you're at it, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up as well. And also, if you guys check down in the description below, you guys will have access to some free resources such as getting a free stock on Robinhood, and also when you buy your gold and silver, some accessories down there. So make sure you guys check down in the description below. Now, if you're interested in buying gold and silver, the first thing you have to ask yourself is, why do you want to buy? Do you want to buy so you guys can make some money? Or do you guys want to buy to protect your money? It's two different mindsets here. So we all know that the cash that we work long and hard for is getting eaten up each and every year due to inflation. And within this past year of 2020, we've seen the Feds printed a huge amount of money into the economy. Now, we may not see it now, but some of the consequences in the future will be that the more money that we have in circulation, the more that our dollars are going to get eaten up. And some people are realizing that and they're like, oh my gosh, I need to protect my money. So they do tons of research and they find that gold and silver throughout the test of time has always gone up when the value of the dollar has always gone down. So if that's one of the reasons that you're looking to buy precious metals, I believe that is the best reason to actually buy precious metals. And on a side note, on top of that, an added bonus you might say, is that the fact that you may possibly make some money in the long run. Okay, so now that we have an idea of the reason we're buying gold, the next thing we have to look at is spot price and premium price. Spot price is the cost that it takes to extract the metal out the ground, while the premium price is the cost that the consumer have to pay to actually get the precious metal. For a perfect example, let's say the shirt actually cost let's say $1 to make. It goes through some middleman, and by the time it gets to me, the company wants to make a profit off it, so they charge me $22 for it. So when you're looking at the prices of gold and silver, you're actually seeing the live spot price at the current time. Now, wouldn't it just be crazy if everything that we buy, we can actually see the live spot price for? Oh my gosh, the spot price of that shirt is just 10 cents. I paid 23 bucks for it. Oh! Now, one of the most effective way that I found to buy gold and silver is, if it's for gold, I go to comparegoldprices.com. And if it's for silver, I go to comparesilverprices.com. Links are down in the description below. And all that does is shows you a list of companies and how much they're selling a specific gold or specific silver. And you can shop around to see which company offers the best value. Now, the next thing I would like to talk about is size. Size matters. I feel like there's a "that's what she says" joke somewhere around there. I just can't find it. The reason the size matters because the more weight you're buying, the cheaper the premium would be. Now, when you're looking to buy 1 ounce of gold, on top of the spot price, the premiums that you'll pay ranges in between $40 to $60. So if the spot price of gold was $1,000, you'll be looking to pay $1,060. Now, if you were to buy 1 gram of gold, the premium that you'll pay would range in between $10 to $20. Wait, Eli, hold on. You said the higher you go in weight, the cheaper the premium. But 60 for an ounce is way more expensive than 20 for a gram. And you're so right, but you have to look at it as far as an ounce. It takes about 31 grams to actually make a troy ounce of gold. So if you're paying $10 for a gram of gold, times that by 31, you actually pay a little bit over $300 for 31 grams of gold, when you could have just bought 1 ounce of gold, which equals up to 31 grams for just $60 on top with the premiums. So what I would focus on is buy nothing less than 1/10 of an ounce of gold. Yeah, I still pay a little bit more of a premium whether if I just bought an ounce, but at the same time, the reason for me to buy silver is to protect my money. So if I want to protect my money, it's not to make money. If I'm there to protect my money or protect my wealth or protect the value of my dollar, and as long as I'm not buying 31 grams of gold within the next 3 months, hey, I'm okay with it. Now, when it comes to the size as far as silver, I always go an ounce or above. And the fact that silver is so cheap that anybody and their mom can actually buy silver, I'll just focus on the ounce. Now that we went over all that, where do we buy our gold and silver from? The only place I would buy is online reputable bullion dealers such as APMEX and any other reputable dealers online. That's where I would buy, or I'll just go to my local coin shop. There I can build a relationship, see somebody. I actually know my local coin shop by name, all of their names. And I can get way better deals because of the relationship I build with a local coin shop, that live person. And I really can't do that online. I look stupid. Yeah, I mean, my name is Eli. I see you got that nice gold right there. What can I do to get it cheaper? I mean, come on, what you say? Now, I know a lot of people may see pawn shops sell gold and silver, but the reason I tend to stay away from that, pawn shop, they already know people's not going in there strictly for gold and silver. If they see it and like, hey, how much is this? They'll charge you like $30 over the spot price. Because they're banking on the fact that you just really don't know. You just see gold and you see silver and you're like, oh wow, that's shiny. That must be expensive, but you really don't know about the spot price. So they try to take advantage of you then. Yeah, trust me, I know, it happened to me. But that's just my experience. But out of 100 people, you might find that one person that's just like,
you don't know what you're talking about. Pawn shops are awesome. I got a great deal on pawn shops.
Now that may be the case for you, but for everybody, that's not the case. Trust me. How would I buy gold and silver now with the prices of gold being at over around $2,000 and the prices of silver being about, it ranges between 25 to 27, I say, at the time of this recording, of course. When I first started to buy silver, the prices of silver was like $15 and the prices of gold was like $1,100. So right now it's like, hey, I'm buying at a way higher premium than when I initially started buying precious metals. So we already know if I'm buying gold, I would stick to like maybe a 1/10 of an ounce. Now, as far as silver, I'm more on a budget with it. Since I am going to be holding my silver for a longer period of term, like maybe even 20 to 40 years, I just put myself on a strict budget where it's like, hey, $25 to $50 a week is what I'm going to be spending on silver right now. I came to the conclusion that's what I'm going to be doing. Always do your own research. Don't just take the advice of some random YouTuber. Now, there's so much more to know, so I like to refer you to this video right here, somewhere up here, the guide to buying silver. And you can also use it for gold as well. So I definitely recommend you guys to look at that video, whichever side is on there. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I want to know what you guys think. Comment down below. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's highly appreciated. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also check out some of my other content. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a beautiful day.